नमस्कार, मी गायत्री. इथं कॅनडामध्ये आपल्याला मेडिकलमध्ये प्रिस्क्रिप्शन घेऊन जावं नाही लागत. आपण ज्या डॉक्टरकडे गेलो असतो तो डॉक्टर मेल करून आपल्याला ज्या मेडिकलमध्ये आपल्याला गोळ्या घ्यायला जायचं आहे त्या मेडिकलमध्ये ते मेल करतात आपलं प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. फक्त आपल्याला मेडिकलमध्ये जाऊन आपलं नाव सांगायचं असतं आणि डॉक्टरचं नाव वगैरे सांगायचं असतं आणि ते आपल्याला आपलं गोळ्या देतात. काही डॉक्टर आपल्याला विचारतात की तुम्ही कोणत्या मेडिकलमध्ये रजिस्टर केले का तुमचं नाव. जर असेल तर त्या मेडिकलला ते डायरेक्ट मेल करतात आणि जर आपण बोललो की मी माझ्या गोळ्या घेतो जाऊन तर ते आपल्याला प्रिस्क्रिप्शन पण देतात. पण आपल्याकडं प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ठेवून आपण जर मेडिकलमध्ये घ्यायला गेलो तर 1 तास वेटिंग असते गोळ्या घेण्यासाठी.
Have enough B12, and a lot of these things you get in red meat. So if you don't eat a lot of red meat, then this is a good way to get the supplement. This is a B vitamin. You just take one every day, and these ones are just the regular ones. Some of them you dissolve under the, oh yeah, this one, sublingual tablet. So just put it under your tongue, leave it in the mouth for a few minutes. It'll absorb through the mouth into the skin in your mouth, so it gets into your blood system
better. So don't swallow it. Just leave it under your tongue.
Okay.
And then, so I'll put this on here so then you can just keep the label on and it'll tell you kind of how your doctor told you to take it. This is iron, and the doctor just says to take 1 tablet every second day. So ideally you take it on an empty stomach. So after you've had something to, or sorry, an hour before you eat or 2 hours after. So a lot of people take it sometimes right before bedtime because if it makes you feel stomach upset, you sleep through it and you don't notice. Or you can take it kind of first thing in the morning and then wait about an hour before you have breakfast. Vitamin C helps you absorb it better. So if you have it with a glass of orange juice or vitamin C, if you've got vitamins at home, that can help you get more out of it. And it's taken every second day and they find that helps you absorb it better rather than every day.
मी पहिल्यांदाच इथल्या मेडिकलमध्ये गेले होते आणि असा अनुभव आला. व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा. बाय.